Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu, and welcome to your Ramadan prep program. This is a fully built out course designed to give you everything you need for your best, all natural, ultra healthy Ramadan. If that's your goal, you're in the right place. I put this course together after years of my own efforts for myself, my family, and families in my local communities where the struggle of not having the structure or discipline kept us from maximizing our health and rewards in Ramadan. And now, with this program and all of the practice and research and effort, I've gotten it down to a pretty solid system where having the energy, the commitment, and the capability for a healthier, disciplined Ramadan is absolutely possible. So I want you to walk with me through a quick overview of this course so that you can see what's in store. There are 5 modules put together. We are going to start off easing you into just understanding the importance of prepping the body to receive the benefits of Ramadan. And then we move into our second module so that you can learn about the key elimination pathways and affirm the need for regular support to deal with the toxins, the stress, and the lifestyle issues that can overwhelm our elimination pathways, that can lead to that sluggishness, lead to those headaches, and all of these things that we typically are struggling with long before Ramadan even starts, but that can be even more of an issue as we're trying to move through our fasting days and our days of Ramadan. In the third module, we're going to be talking about what clean eating is and how to do it, how we are nourishing the body with all of that is halal and tayyib for us that Allah has made available to us. This is not about restricting and eliminating and making our eating really difficult. It's really about using the right hikmah from an Islamic herbal medicine standpoint to give ourselves what they need. In the fourth module, we're going to be talking about the lifestyle habits that nourish the mind and the soul. And in our last module, in Module 5, we'll be talking about what herbal remedies and lifestyle habits are available for you to support your energy, mood, and well being during your fasting days. So, if this is something that you are looking forward to, I am ready to get started with you. Reach out to me in our discussion forum if you have any questions, and I look forward to hearing from you. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.